This vlog is getting bigger and bigger. I know I said 5 minutes, but you guys got to see this. So I have the scanner because I got to do the idle relearn on this car, but you guys need to see what's in this box. Now, to start off, this box. Let's just say, yes sir, you already know what time it is. Boom. Free hat. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I love. Free hats. I just love everything automotive hats. As you can see, Castrol hats and shit. Red Bull Racing. You get the point. Anyways, nothing fancy. Just to give something flair to my wife. My wife's present technically. She's not too crazy about the air intake system like that, like how I have in the Jetta. But at least, come on. For a turbocharged car, at least give it a little, throw it a bone. So I'm gonna put this on there right now, do the idle relearn with the scanner, and then hopefully this car runs mint. That, and then clean the mess sensor here. Still fairly clean. Yeah, back up, just in case. So we're not gonna throw this out because it's still fairly new. And the other thing is we're gonna clean all this. Before you put it back on the car. Stickers. So this is K&N, and then this is stock. You see the restriction there? So, go ahead. We're gonna put it right. This, so. No, it's gonna unpeel. That's fine. Let's clean this all up, and now do the idle relearn. So my dumbass forgot to record it while I was doing it, but I cleared the codes for now. I reset the oil life again because I changed the oil on this car not too long ago, but given that it was giving me all the sporadic codes like the VSA and the SHAWD and all this other stuff, so I changed the oil to the Valvoline Restore and Protect like I mentioned. And so I also did the idle relearn using the throttle body ECM, PCM, something like that. Like I said, I forgot to capture this all on camera, but when you do the idle relearn on a scanner, you're gonna go to anywhere that says other functions, common special functions, anything that has like auxiliary or like an alternate settings aside from like an all system code scan. For me, that I'm using the Icon T7 series or the Icon series, you're gonna want to go to common special function, and you're gonna want to go to electronic throttle relearn. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna send a signal to the ECM, the ECU, my bad, the ECU and the throttle body. It's gonna make you turn off the car with the ignition, not the engine running. Turn the car back on. And then after it sends that signal, then what you're going to do is you're going to have the car run with the engine and then let it idle for 10 minutes. For the Acura, every time that you will start it up, it would stay above 1500 and it'll go. And so now that I did that, as soon as I started it up, I gave it like about, it literally took like maybe like a minute and a half, and now it's idling properly. Mind you that we cleaned the we changed the oil pressure switch, we cleaned the PCV valve, we cleaned the throttle body, we cleaned the MAP sensor, replaced the air filter with a higher one, of course, and then cleaned up all the hoses. I closed up that vacuum seal until I could get that hose, like I said, but so far it's doing good. I don't see no vacuum leaks. The idle is normal like it should. I'm still gonna be patient and give it the full 10 minutes before I can start, revving it or whatever, because I want the procedure to be as true as what the scanner is telling me, just so you don't mess up any of the steps. Once your car is set, baby, you're good. So